Hi, this is Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions and Save Your Photos Month tip number 7. Are you finding lots of duplicates as you go through your photos? Toss or delete the doubles, the blurries, shots, and most scenery only photos. You want to edit your collection down to a manageable size. You may end up getting rid of 50% or more. You want your photo estate to be manageable for the next generation. If there are just too many photos, they won't be as interested in actually looking at the stories that you've collected. And if you haven't already done so, go to saveyourphotos.org and register so that you can enjoy the mini courses and live Q&As that are happening this month. See you tomorrow.